In a devastating natural disaster, more than 100 people are feared dead following a massive landslide in Papua New Guinea. The tragedy struck early Friday morning at approximately 3 a.m. local time, engulfing the remote village of Kaukalam in Enga province, which lies about 600 kilometers northwest of the capital, Port Moresby. According to reports from the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, while the official death toll has yet to be confirmed by authorities, local residents fear that the actual number of casualties could be significantly higher. This catastrophic event has left the community in shock, grappling with the overwhelming loss and destruction. Social media videos show locals desperately pulling out bodies buried under the rubble, highlighting the dire situation in the remote village of Kaukalam. The remoteness of the area is significantly hampering rescue efforts. Access is limited due to the landslide over the main highway leading into the community, explained Janet Philemon, caretaker and national treasurer of the PNG Red Cross Society, in an interview with CNN. The community themselves are responding, trying to bring out and uncover those that have been buried under the landslide. Footage broadcast by AFP reveals a wide swath of mud and rocks cutting across a steep mountainside, with locals frantically searching for survivors amid the devastation. Papua New Guinea Prime Minister James Marape has expressed his heartfelt condolences to the families affected by the devastating landslide that struck the remote village of Kaukalam. I extend my heartfelt condolences to the families of those who lost their lives in the landslide disaster, Marape stated. He acknowledged that he has yet to receive a full briefing on the situation, but assured the public that relevant authorities are working diligently to manage the disaster and provide necessary aid. The Prime Minister emphasized the government's commitment to supporting the affected community during this tragic time. Papua New Guinea, a Pacific island nation home to around 10 million people, is rich in natural resources but has long lagged behind its neighbors economically. The country faces significant challenges, including one of the highest crime rates in the world. Its hundreds of tribes are dispersed across remote and often inaccessible areas of the archipelago, making governance and the delivery of basic services extremely difficult.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.